Cindy A. Liz here. Welcome. It is 100 days of Junk Journal Tags Day 23. We're having so much fun, and Bexx from Black Whisper Crafts is joining me on this 100-day journey. So I hope that you have enjoyed it so far. We are on day 23, and you can purchase this book from my Ko-Fi shop, and it's linked below. Today, day 23, we're jumping into napkin decoupage tags. The supplies you need are a tag base. I have two, just in case I want to go ahead and make two. You need a decorative napkin, glue, Mod Podge, or you can use tacky glue if you like, scissors, and a brush. And we're going to jump right in. So the first thing that you need to do is take your napkin. This is a napkin I purchased from Home Goods. So cute. And I am going to use this today. So we need to get down to a single ply. So I'm going to take this layer off, and this is just one layer. The next layer you need to get off. Sometimes it's a little bit hard, sometimes it is easy. One thing that you can do is put a little tape on the back. Even sometimes a Post-it note will pull that off for you. Once you get it started, you can generally pull it off pretty easily, but it can be a really tight ply, so just go ahead and pull that off. Just take your time. Then just go ahead and cut a little bit bigger piece than you need for your tag base. Just a little bit larger, and then you can cut away the piece that is extra around the edges. So I do have some Mod Podge here. This is the matte, and Mod Podge can be a little messy sometimes. I don't overdo when I put it on any of my projects. So I'm just going to put it on the base, and then I'm going to lay the napkin over it, and then apply the glue again, really very gently. And even the instructions say that you want to get it all the way to the edge. So then we're just going to lay our napkin over that. You want to make sure you have plenty on there, and I do try to smooth it out a little bit. Okay. And then we're just going to do it again very gently over the top. Once your tag is dry, now you can use a heat tool to dry your tag if you want to. Just cut away or tear away the extra napkin. Then you're ready to embellish your napkin tag. So I'm using a punch to give me a nice hole and around the edges. It's a really fun tag punch to use, but you don't have to do that. You can just punch the hole as you like. Then for these, I am gonna embellish them today on the video and use some ink around the edge, just a little of this, and it may tear the edge a little bit, but that's okay because I like this rough look. And just gonna put a little of, this is called Vintage Photo. And you can see the little bit of difference that ink makes. And now you can just embellish how you like. I've got some different ephemera out here that I want to put on here. I'm thinking about putting a little of this cheesecloth, but we're gonna play with it a little bit and see what we come up with. So we're just gonna put that over that. I do like this lock. I think I will use that. Or keyhole, or lock and key without lock, without a key, with a hole in it. So we'll just put this on here like that. I think I will put the butterfly, because I do like that butterfly. We're just gonna put this at the bottom. Let it hang off. I'll probably cut that. And then we're going to take this butterfly and work on these edges to vintagize them a little bit. want to give that butterfly a little bit of movement by making the edges look like they're moving. And then we'll just glue it down in the middle. We're going to make the other one a little bit different. Should we do it this way? Let's do it this way. And then for this one, I'm going to use some kind of olive green ribbon. We're just going to tie this one. We'll just put that right there at the top. And then there is one. And then on this one, we're going to put a little bit different look to it. And then we go. There we go. 2 fun napkin decoupage tags. 2 fun napkin decoupage tags. I hope you enjoyed this and you'll try some napkins on your tags. So have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.